Welcome to another edition of Easy English Talk. In this edition, we will cover common topics of English conversation. So let's dive in.
I swear mornings were invented just to punish me. How are you even functioning right now?
Because I actually wake up early. You should try it.
I do wake up early, sometimes. Just not on purpose.
So what's your usual morning routine?
Well, I wake up to my alarm. Then I snooze it. Then I snooze it again. Then I tell myself I have 5 more minutes. Then panic because I overslept.
So, you start your day with regret?
That's one way to put it. How about you?
I wake up at 6 a.m., go for a 30-minute run, take a shower, and eat a good breakfast before I start my day.
You lost me at wake up at 6 a.m.
It's just habit. Plus, exercising in the morning gives me energy.
I don't know, Emma. I think my morning routine builds character. Like an obstacle course for my willpower.
If your goal is to stress yourself out every morning, then yes, you've mastered it.
Fine. I'll try waking up earlier. But I'm not making any promises.
Baby steps, Jake. Baby steps.
All right, Emma, I need expert fashion advice. Which jacket looks better, the black leather one or the navy blue?
The black one is stylish and bold. The navy blue one is more classic and practical. When would you wear it?
I guess for casual outings, maybe a date if I ever get one.
Oh, so this is a future date jacket?
Hey, preparation is key. But seriously, which one?
If you want to make an impression, go with black. It's confident.
True. But the price tag is making me sweat.
Yeah, it's a little expensive. But do you love it?
I mean, my heart says yes, but my wallet says, please don't do this.
Let's check if they have a discount. Also, do you really need another jacket?
Well, I have 3.
3?
Okay, 4.
And you're buying another one?
Hey, a guy needs options.
All right, buy it, but only if we find a discount.
Deal. Let's go hunting for sales. Oh no. I think I left my phone charger at the electronics store.
Of course you did.
Hey, in my defense, I was distracted by the shiny new gadgets.
Do you at least remember where the store is?
Somewhere inside the mall, near the escalator. Maybe.
Okay, listen carefully. Walk straight down the street, turn left at the traffic light, and the store is on your right next to the bookstore.
Left at the traffic light, near the bakery, right?
No. Not the bakery. Next to the bookstore.
Got it, got it. If I'm not back in 10 minutes, assume I got lost.
I already assumed that.
Good afternoon, Dr. Roberts' office. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I'd like to make an appointment for a checkup.
Of course. When would you like to come in?
Do you have any openings in the near future?
How about Friday at 10 a.m.?
That sounds great. Just to check, this is a regular checkup, right?
Just a basic checkup?
Yes. Also, I have been having some pain in my left knee. Maybe he can take a look at that as well.
Certainly. I will make a note of that, but also feel free to remind the doctor when you come.
Okay, I can do that.
Is your insurance still Blue Cross or has that changed?
Yes, it's still Blue Cross.
Okay, and it looks like there will be a $30 copay. Would you like to pay that now with a credit card or when you arrive for your appointment?
I'll pay for it when I arrive for my appointment.
All right, you're all set for Friday. See you then.
Okay, see you then.
Okay, have a great day and thanks for calling.
I really want to visit Japan. Have you ever been? I already assumed that.
Yeah. Tokyo is insane. Huge crowds, bright lights, futuristic everything.
That sounds amazing. What about outside the city?
Kyoto is completely different. Peaceful, full of temples, tiny streets with old wooden houses. It feels like stepping back in time.
Wow. I'd love to see the cherry blossoms.
Oh, you have to go in the spring. People have picnics under the cherry trees. It's like a festival.
That's officially on my bucket list. Where do you want to go?
Italy. I want to see the Colosseum and eat pizza on a gondola.
Italy. I want to see the Colosseum and eat pizza on a gondola.
So I can't do both at the same time.
No, Jake. No, you cannot.
Fine. But I'm still eating all the pizza. Whoa, did you hear about this?
About what?
Apparently, a robot just gave a speech at a global conference.
Wait, what? Like an actual robot?
Yeah. Some AI-powered machine talked about the future of technology. It even answered questions from the audience.
That's kind of amazing, but also terrifying.
Right? What if robots take over our jobs? Or worse, what if they start making better jokes than me?
Well, considering your jokes, that's a real possibility.
Rude. But seriously, AI is getting crazy advanced. Have you seen those robots that can do backflips?
Yeah. I saw a video the other day. I can't even do a normal flip, and now robots are basically gymnasts.
We're doomed.
Oh, look. They just discovered a new planet that might be habitable.
Oh, backup Earth? Nice. When do we move?
Probably not in our lifetime. But imagine, future humans could live on another planet.
That's cool and all, but do you think they'll have Wi-Fi? Because I'm not moving unless I can stream my shows.
Priorities, Jake. Priorities.
No way. You're not going to believe this.
What now?
Scientists just made chocolate healthier.
Okay, now that's the biggest news of the day.
Right. This changes everything. I might finally achieve my dream of eating chocolate and being healthy at the same time.
If that ever happens, I'll believe we're truly living in the future.
You ever think about where you'll be in 5 years?
All the time. I like having a plan. What about you?
I try not to stress about the future, but I guess I should start thinking about it.
Well, what do you actually want to do?
That's the problem. I have no idea. I like a lot of things, but I don't know what I'd want to do forever.
You don't have to do one thing forever. People change careers all the time.
True. Right now, I just want a job that doesn't make me miserable.
That's a good start. What kind of work do you enjoy?
I like being creative. I've thought about doing something with writing or maybe content creation.
You'd be great at that. You're funny, and you always have random ideas.
Exactly. But then there's that whole making money part.
Yeah, it's tricky. Maybe start as a side project while keeping a stable job?
That's actually a solid plan. What about you? What's your dream job?
I want to run my own business someday. Something meaningful where I can be my own boss.
Oh, CEO Emma. I like it. What kind of business?
Maybe something in education or coaching. Helping people develop skills.
That fits you. You already love organizing everything. Might as well get paid for it.
Exactly. I just need to figure out the first step.
Well, let's make a deal. You start working on your business plan, and I'll finally take my future seriously.
Deal. But if I catch you procrastinating, I'm sending you motivational quotes every hour.
Please no. I'd rather get fired than be spammed with believe in yourself messages.
Then get to work.
All right, Emma, I have a deep question for you. What's one opinion you have that most people disagree with?
I think pineapple on pizza is actually good.
No.
What? It's sweet and salty. It's the perfect combo.
It's an abomination. Fruit should not be on pizza.
You eat tomatoes on pizza, don't you?
That's different. Tomatoes are honorary non-fruits in pizza culture. Pineapple is just invading the space.
You're so dramatic. All right, your turn.
Okay, I think movies should be no longer than 2 hours.
That's not even a controversial opinion.
No, all movies. Even epic ones.
So you'd cut half of Lord of the Rings?
Exactly. They walk way too much.
That's the whole point. The journey. The adventure.
Nah, they could have taken an Uber to Mordor and saved everyone 3 hours.
You are impossible. Okay, another one. I think reading books is better than watching movies.
You're one of those people. The book was better crowd.
Because it's true. Books let you imagine things in your own way. Movies just rush everything.
Yeah, but movies give you cool visuals and save time.
Not everything is about saving time.
Tell that to Lord of the Rings.
I give up.